Hello. So I recently replaced my alarms, not alarm, but the garage door opener with a Ryobi um, with module and everything. The only thing is that my alarm system, the Lynx 7000, the relay, there's no access for the relay to work, and unfortunately, I had already had everything set up with the scenes and everything, some automation built in. So, it was either that or try to fix the old garage door opener. But since I already have, got the garage opener installed and everything, with the exception of this, I decided to leave it. And I figured maybe there's another way of getting the Ryobi to work. Contacted support, and they had confirmed that they don't have any accessory or relay that will work besides anything in Ryobi. In the beginning, I had set up the keypad. I was thinking maybe I can set up the keypad with the relay, essentially, to simulate a button press from the Ryobi keypad. But it looks like on the back of it, with the grid system, it was causing some issue. So the next best thing looks like if you're willing to sacrifice one of these and attach it to the relay, like what I did. So all I did is wire the relay to the first button, soldered it in, connected, and that seems to do the function. So I'm going to demonstrate. So now I'm able to have my control back to the Lynx system, on top of all the other access with the Ryobi. If you guys find another way of doing it and willing to share, I would love to definitely look into it, especially not having to sacrifice one of the key wireless key transmitter. So thank you.